the most powerful way to put ideas into the world and a way to score marks in exam. In the English paper, there'll be a question on creative story writing. You'll be given an outline, and based on the outline, you'll have to develop a complete, meaningful, proper, and top of the line story. Many students find creative story writing difficult. Keeping everything in sequence, using engaging dialogues, putting some humor, and maintaining perfect grammar can be quite hard in story writing. Students don't even know what tense should they write their stories in. English is difficult, and then creative writing becomes impossible. Students in 5th standard or above are often worried because of story writing question. But don't worry, I'm here to help. I have written a book, 65 stories. With 65 creative specimens of stories, you'll understand story writing completely. You will score full marks in the exam with 65 stories. This book also includes stories that are asked to be written in English exams. Few noteworthy stories include Androclus and the Lion, The Inchcape Rock, Pied Piper of Hamelin, Where Love Is There Is God Also, etc. So if you're in 5th standard or above and want to practice story writing for your exam, this book is helpful for you. Now let me tell you all the features of the book. Each story is above 500 words. The book contains stories that are asked in English exams. Each story is carefully curated with perfect grammar, punctuation, sentence structure, and clauses. This book includes story titles and morals. I have made appropriate use of idiomatic phraseology. This book contains the outlines of all the stories, and I have made correct usage of dialogues and soliloquies. 65 stories is helpful for CBSE, ICSE, state boards, competitive exams, and for all the advanced English learners. So then, this book is worth ordering. But how will you order it? Well, to read further about my book, you can visit my website englishvilantra.in/65 stories. To directly buy my book, you can buy it from Amazon, Flipkart or NotionPress. All the links are given in the description box. I am so excited to welcome you through the pages of my book so that you can practice writing stories.